Hey, what's up everybody, Lugo here, aka the People's Champ. Gonna do a quick video, a little different than what I normally do. In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing this HH-AT03 setup here from Katway. I was sent this machine to try out, to see how it works. It comes with the unit, airless unit, so you do not need an air compressor for it. It comes with the micro motor, and it comes with 2 hand pieces. Now the hand pieces, you're able to switch out the pistons. There's a lighter piston and a heavier piston. So I have the heavier piston in one and the lighter piston in the other. It came with 6 gravers. It's got like a flat, a 120, and some V's. But right out the gate, these gravers, I can't really use them for the large scale engraving that I do. I normally do, the cars and motorcycles and whatnot. So the gravers that I use will not fit in these collets. So I'd have to drill the collets, drill them out more to make them fit. But I don't want to do that yet because I'm showing you basically what you were working with out of the box. So you turn on your power, step on the foot pedal. I got the second hand piece. We switch it over. For the micro motor, the polish setting, and you can turn up the speed. And it's got the setting for drilling, which is in reverse. You can also adjust the speed on it. Back to the gravers. I don't have any burrs for the micro motor at this time that fit. So when I do, I'll try it later and I'll give you an update. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and use the gravers. The gravers, one of the cool things is you can adjust the power. It's lighter or it hits harder. You can also adjust the speed. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some cutting. We're going to do some cutting on some aluminum and some steel to see how it goes. So let's go ahead and start cutting some aluminum real quick. One thing you're going to want, if you're doing any large scale engraving, the safety glasses. They don't look very cool, but it's cooler than having a piece of metal in your eye, trust me. So we're going to give it a shot. I have it set about 30 right now. So I'm using a flat, and we're just gonna do some cuts. So yeah, I mean, that's fairly deep. That's fairly deep. With the wider graver, you can get a wider cut. You could even do little flare cuts and whatnot. So let's try turning up the speed a little bit. See if it makes a difference. So you get a little bit of depth. Now until I drill out the collet so where these can fit, or grind down my gravers that I normally use to fit, I really won't be able to say with certainty how deep, how to work doing car parts. But for a practice plate, it's cutting fairly decent. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into some steel. I'm just gonna hold it down and turn the speed down here. speed it up. So you've seen it cut aluminum, you've seen it cut steel. So for automotive large scale engraving, we're gonna need to cut a lot deeper than this. So I don't know if this is cut out for that. But you know, if you want to engrave little smaller stuff, smaller items, I'm sure it'll work out just fine. Maybe like a keychains and things of that nature. This should be fine for that. So this is what this is the system here. I'm gonna bring you back over. So it's airless, it does not need a compressor. So, I mean, you've seen what it can do. You got an idea of what it can do cutting. Now, we got to get down to the nitty gritty. It's priced at around $900. So it's not dirt cheap. You know, I believe the normal price is like $1,800 on their website, and they're selling it for $900. So it's not cheap, you know, but it is what it is. You don't need a compressor. It comes with a micromotor and 2 hand pieces. Now, I'll say this. I'm not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with any major engraving tool companies, but I will say this. I cannot say how long this will last. I haven't had a problem yet, so I haven't had to deal with customer service or anything like that. So I can't speak on that. All I can speak on is what I show you. What it came with, it works. It can cut mild steel. It can cut aluminum pretty nice. You know, but as far as anything else, I cannot speak on because I do not know for sure. However, like anything else, we got to give it a try. You know, the way I see it, worst case scenario, if not everybody can afford a full setup, you know what I mean? Engraving, the tools, learning how to do it, it's expensive and time consuming. $900, if it works, you know, if it gives me at least a year, 2 years of work with no problems, then I can justify spending that amount of money. You know what I'm saying? And then in the meantime, you can always, you know, save up and invest in more tools and whatnot, whatever you want to do. But I know this is gonna ruffle some feathers out there, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to give a demonstration of what this tool is and what it can do. I'll check back. I'll keep messing with it and do an update, you know what I mean? And maybe another month or two, couple months to see how it's been working after I've been using it for a minute. But anyways, hey, you know, just thought I would share with you guys, you know, give these guys a fair shake. And so far, I think it's a cool tool, personally. You know what I mean? But I'm not trying to tell you what to do. And I'm telling you right now, any engraving police try to come after me, I'm going to defend myself. So I'm just letting it be known right now. So anyways, this is the HH-AT03 3 from Katway Tools. If you want to give it a shot, you know what I mean? It's priced at $900. The choice is yours. You don't have to. You know what I mean? But if you do, this is what you'll be getting in the box. So anyways, thank you for tuning in. I know this is kind of a long video, but hey, you know what? A lot of people talk about it, but not everybody wants to show you. You know what I'm saying? So I've heard different reviews, opinions from people, but I've never seen it. All I ever hear is talk. I don't see it though. So now you get a chance to actually see it with your own eyes. And once again, thank you for tuning in. It's the People's Champ. Peace.